What's up guys, this is Yao. Today we're going to learn how to replace the engine air filter for the 2018 to 2020 Ford Expeditions. For the first step, we're going to jack up the car and take off 4 wheels and take off the hood. No, I'm just kidding. The first, we have to open the hood. It's right here. And we see the coupe right here. Open the hood. And then we have to take off these screws. Actually, you don't have to take off, just release. And then we release those clips right here. 1, 2. Yeah, just 2. And then we remove the old one. And make sure you put it in the right way. That's it. And then we'll put this pad on. Put the clip bed. $1. Okay, right now we got to learn how to replace the carbon air filter for the 2018 to 2020 Ford Expeditions. The first step, you move this seat all the way back. And open the glove box. Remove all the shit out. And open the top glove box. Also remove everything. The carbon air filter is located behind the glove box. It's not that simple like a Toyota to take it out. The first, we remove this. And we have to remove these 2 screws. And then we have to use the 7 millimeter socket to remove these two screws. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot this step. We have to release the gold brush. Put this in now. Okay, and then the carbon air filter is located behind this. Then we pull it out. Put it right here and open the new one. And make sure you put in the same size. I'm sorry guys, I need to use my both hands. Okay, done. Right now we need to put all the shit there. Okay, and then this thing. Okay, then we tie up the screw. We use the socket. You see this real quick? We have to put it back right here. Okay. Then the gold box is put this back in, and then the other side. Okay, we're done. Damn, it's so hot today. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.